Hello guys, today I'd like to offer my 5 cents on starting a Forex brokerage. As mundane as it sounds, you will need some kind of a plan. But wait for it, not just any plan. We're going to build a Forex brokerage the way one builds a web-powered business. Okay, here it goes. Step 1, make a plan. There are companies out there that will offer you Forex brokerage business plan if you choose them as one of their vendors. Sure, it's just a gimmick, really intended just to generate clicks. But spend some time on it, absorb the ideas. In the end, here is what your plan should begin with. Making a website. When making a website, start with a sitemap. It's the website's menu tree. Then come up with the page titles, start writing content for these pages, at least just the outline. Eventually make a draft website. This part is important because once you start building your own main marketing material, you will realize what you need in order to make your business work. We've been in business of building websites for many years, and so many times we had requests like, I want a website like FX Pro, how much? So I started answering about 10 million just to see the raised eyebrows. You want your starting plan to be achievable. As you come up with menu items and page titles, you will naturally research the competition. You will realize what you want to focus on, whether it's money management or IBs or some kind of gamification, such as Forex competitions or leaderboards. Making a draft websites these days is easier than ever. Just use a StackBit or Wix or just a PowerPoint. Number 3, select a trading platform. Usually MT4 and MT5 as market leaders, but we do see some niches with C Traders and X Open Hub. Normally, I don't see startups with multiple trading platforms, unless they are migrating, but they're not really startups then. Also, focusing on a single trading platform and making it work should give you even more insight on how everything comes together. Number 4, make a list of vendors. Surely everyone starting a Forex brokerage has some kind of experience working for a brokerage, trading, or being an IB. This is where your experience will come in handy. Knowing and having dealt with the vendors will play a huge role. If you haven't, you may want to look into an advisory service or just give us a call. Number 5, now you select the vendors and get all the quotes. It's just good for business, and this is where you do your startup initial budgeting. Number 6, at this stage, hire a project manager. Or better, become one, at least temporarily. Now, this is where the real work starts. If I were to do this, I would definitely want to manage everything at this stage. I would manage vendors day to day, making sure the progress is made, the website design phase, then development, then the content population. At the same time, you oversee incorporation of the business, getting a license, getting a bank account, applying for payment systems. I would save the setup of the CRM, trading platform, and liquidity till the last stage, all at the same time. The CRM setup on its own does not take a lot of time. However, what takes time is getting it done right. You may want to implement all kinds of logic, different PSPs for different geographical regions, different access levels for your employees, some translation or email template optimization work, integration with the website, marketing tracking, terms and conditions, KYC workflows, so on. Number 7, finally, become a salesperson or hire one. Once again, I would really want to become a salesman before hiring one. It would definitely make the process smoother, leading to better sales and marketing integration. In our experience, it takes 2-3 months to get everything set up properly from start to finish, given that there are no bureaucratic snags anywhere along the lines. Number 8, from this point on, it's more planning, marketing, expanding to the new markets, retention, customer support, automation, insights reporting, and so on. So that's it for today. Feel free to reach out if you need a free consult. Good luck out there. See you again next time. Goodbye.